So welcome to the Fairmont Vancouver Airport Hotel. Basically, for me, I had a long layover from taking the train to getting onto the plane. So most airports that have hotels at them have the ability to do day rates, and I took them up on their offer for the hotel here today, and I did a deluxe room. So I'm in room 1209, and let's do a room tour. So when you first walk in, it kind of spaces itself out going towards the bathroom and then towards the bedroom portion itself. You have a closet with your in-room safe, luggage, bathrobes, and a ironing board, as well as some slippers. Close that up. Leads into the king-size bed with the nice, I'm gonna guess about 50-inch TV. And the thing I'm looking forward to is this lovely view, which I'm gonna throw in a time lapse after for this. So jumping into the center console just located underneath the TV is going to be your lovely empty minibar due to COVID precautions, as well as that top drawer there on the right. Underneath there's going to be your ice bucket, as well as a couple coffee mugs and some K-cups and creamers. Under this one here is going to be your lovely COVID amenity kit, including a mask, a couple disinfecting wipes, and a bottle of hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer is in a small enough bottle that you can take that on board with you through the security checkpoints. And then just your dry cleaning options if you are staying a longer, couple glasses, and then above this is going to be your hot kettle as well as your Keurig machine. And then when we head over into the bathroom, let's see if I can find the light. There we go. We have a separate shower. The giant soaker tub. And then it looks to be just a simple water closet, as well as the sink and mirror. So always keep in mind when you do have long layovers at airports to look at the airport hotels, whether or not they do offer, and the vast majority will, because during the day usually they don't have check-ins where they have the overnight stays for people flying out in the morning. This allows for them to have that little bit of extra revenue and fill up those rooms when people aren't usually staying at them. So if you are staying in Vancouver, check out the Fairmont Vancouver Airport Hotel, and I'm gonna get some sleep because I've been on that train for 36 hours or so, and I need a quick shower as well. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you liked it, hit that like button. It really helps me on bringing helpful and informative travel-related information to you. As well, please consider subscribing for future videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays, and I'll see you all in the next one.